Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a zip file in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create a new folder. So I'm going to show you that how you can create a new folder. You have to right click on the desktop, and as you can see, has an option for a new folder. So we have to click on this new folder. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this we have to drag this here, and if you want to add any kind of a thing or any kind of file or folder, you can add that. I'm going to right click on this, and now I'm going to rename it. For example, I'm going to write the here tutorial. So let's write this and then press the enter, and after pressing the enter, as you can see, I'm gonna keep this here on the desktop, and after that we have to click on this, and now simply we need to go to the file section, and after going to the file section, as you can see, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see here, you will be able to see the option which is called compress. So we have to click on this compress option, and after clicking on the compress, as you can see, the zip file is created within seconds. So if you want to open this, simply you have to double click on this and the file will be open. So as you can see, this is unzipped, and now in this way you can view these files. In this way you can create a zip file and view that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.